Hello, 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 hello. Wan wapo Acholi, ubin ka Chaka ke Leb Acholi. An nyinga Alice Abwoyo okot. Wan watie kany ka Chaka ke Leb Acholi. Tin just wabino. Kigimo eken mitie kere. Please. Ubin wa Chaka gini. Mapodi bon wachere kanino.
Good afternoon, well, a good evening, well, a good morning. Kamoy ken mutie ye, Wamorun. I'm Jacqueline Ikang Abwoyo, one of the co-hosts of Chaka Leb Acholi. We've been having a great couple of weeks, even though we just got started. Wamir would join one to have any kind of discussion, even just sharing information across the globe. Kono Leb Acholi, ki toera, and Amiro Wajane. Jotua Moti Uganda kuja magitemo joining Zoom capacity nepe. I know I was in last time. Guess man omiro wa have Twitter joining ko. Teen Wednesday, September 3rd. Lakin ikikuja kina Zoom Twitter download bena ko chim kage Twitter bena joining link bena Twitter go. So po gin chim tugine bena wagi Twitter download go. Zoom. Get to download Zoom. Zoom go. So unfortunately, we may have to find another platform. I joined Twitter use when we have guests from Uganda. Guests me Uganda and Guinea not only actually to me South Sudan, magiti settle, magis resettle Uganda, but also actually me Uganda, give me to join discussion any platform any. We share information tugi, history tugi, culture tugi, journey tugi, kedwa. So kawun men utigi idea me kina opportunity well a platform nga matie mawun maybe would temo me loki jumati Uganda a video conference me Twitter recording ka e share gidana besides Zoom ka Zoom tiyo kone wun mo would temo mo mapa got Skype. Skype and probably the same. You have to download the app. We join got automated recording. Gonna recording capacity T Skype like pe angeko. I know WhatsApp Tio like in WhatsApp bina you can have a video conference in your conference get done madung like in many to ginako. I don't think you can record it. Maybe there's a way to screen record maybe. Maybe what I'm exploring. So Joe Uganda, we're sorry. That we're not able to connect it. What time I'm in a Facebook Live, it seems like 1 minute middle upgrade equipment tour. So that way quality me live to on a bear. And so that Jumi Uganda at least what we're inviting on the live. Cutting live what we're gonna upload to YouTube go at least no connect catch up or share information that way. Until one no okay. Mana boy tam na ngoma TV, man evening wala gang ge dog tea wati mga kono ngo ge cleaning tero, taking care of kids. In kono, what's new? What's cracking?
Tino bero pata pata.
Ngo time.
Pata pata. Tijo bero duong aduo gang wa 4:30. 4:30 ni bero. A bero pen a kero ni wangcha a chill. Just 1 hour. Sit down to relax a little bit. But nina chaka yenyo yo mi tero. Feed the children. They need teach me gualo tini being a parent. A day, mera la Ken today I feel like mera wacha mama knock to we don't see each other. Man kama one neno dano ye one nene ye kari jomo kere lo neno in video kono whatever kamo post in ye Facebook lo nene in kuja ki nena kuja ba it's okay. Munu en gima mera ni yero wacha unena koma kangan mo bongo nena wayang there you go in nena kenyu lakin what today me Matini just I'm just happy. Chunya yum, you know, Rubanga mio kare mokene. Dogo idwa again. So we should be grateful for that. But tin any antin aneno gimoma wa young. It might sound funny. Man bear what you chaka. Okay? Banga nen mono moma wa young ma bo. Chal odiang. Tin aneno mono moma bo chal odiang. Achi penyo la choni. Awani in mono mitie malo kenyu ni iti aneno pinyi ni. Or what you know any wish no any team achieve. Cause it's not easy. Me better malo kuya me nano. Ping kid me nano kereki ping is a bit weird. For that say is one actually kadi tie malo itie wa malo kuya. Ping kan you know dana mo matino tino tie. So mira beni nen ping ineno ping kan nen gin bene pe wiyo ga malo kamitie ye maboni eno wiga kuje neno kuje keken. So one wa chaga matini and I feel like mira wa kiri out there bojo toa bedo ki kwa mabe is good. Tin wa chaga ano no bene ko bedi no gini tie live Facebook ba ono gwa jomo ko tie bene magi twero no tin mira wa kodi ana no amiro ngan mo konyan ga kodo ododo tin ni no minyero we might not discuss gimoma ni okay we go back I kar machon min yang te kwaro gi ngo waga kinyu ke ken ko miro bene wandong cha mo minyero mi kodo lo kodo mo munu I feel like ko bere ngan mo tie kitam just my sister put this on Facebook tie wo ku ye ka choka pa choli ka chaga pa choli tie wo ku ye please ki neno kero zoom ni ki tie ki capacity mi join zoom where u bin wa kodi lo but that's all I can say lakin mi chaga kombe mi and I made a mono winning. Can you tell me at least no gwakan no waje wila jwani nga bilo mundo mera lo come when ananga wila jwa tiero chuo ken that song wila jwa karami lo come eh
Mu
arage ko
lucky pro Johnny do Johnny lucky pro.
lucky pro no mera waje irwa e bilo mono gini kikan we need to know ma we
That's
mid
my favorite.
eh
Vila Joa Midla Come.
I love that song. I love that.
Yes. Yeah, I'm out of when you way better and it when it made more I'm like when you way more rubu the whole Leb Acholi I think gileb mono gileb Arabic.
Mm,
We channel I think lungani jealousy when you way kabo
nah.
winyo wen mi tem winyo wene a no ngatugu lakini alur ni kon quality
Mm.
to enemy equipment any ma wa will on a budget kon gonna freeze up
Uh-huh.
so atugu wene ko video na atugu ko lakini wene mit kiti kina cha wuji search
Mm.
we pa gina lucky pro lo I think wene lo ni jealousy wene met we per wing meet.
Mm-hmm.
I know I need to spend other kind of chat more but jo mo ni mira we way to go. I know a
Uh-huh.
long time ago what we know like lucky boss make. Ikara chana
Tea.
no wa bit in Nashville. I better get dig kuya in
Mm-hmm.
Nashville. Video ne dong a dig and go rin get video mo ma dong mi we kono mi Acholi we mi Uganda nyo we mi Kenya gi. I
Mm.
don't know if you remember that time. Lokero boss mi ko team gini kana gi chunyi itamo tamo chunyi chwe
No way
we
better.
money wulu duru ko kwen remember
Yeah,
Oh,
that one. That's an old one. Ka look
yeah.
money. Look ming ming pechela la winya. Iloko.
Yeah.
No, that song is
Yeah.
bad. Eh? Everywhere ni
Yeah.
ka wrong ki ngan mo ina na ching dana wen isa eyeballing ngan mo no ngan mo loko wanga kuye. Ni tia lo look ming ko me ko no ka problem ti boss ming mero go good we ma bejo
Yeah.
gini.
Mm.
So
Yeah, I'm out of boss make. Ngamo kira mi Uganda. We used to love Jose Chameleon. Oh, we need white Paul and main kwa your concert mo wabichira.
mhm.
I remember that. We had
Yeah.
fun. Man, that was a day. I really, really enjoyed all those people man on that day, the concert, Johnny. Joli
Mhm.
nongipe.
Yeah.
Pole kono ya get daga di kanywe another state will get daga gina get chirogam. Kono South
Mhm.
Sudan wala Uganda wala Kenya. Jimoti sigin jimota.
Yep.
If it seemed like just labo, it
Mhm.
wasn't even that far long ago. Hmm? And then a Johnny Camille ne bibino. When I mean did get palazzo, give me a matidi palazzo. Palazzo bibiro a Poland car malach.
Mhm.
Um, but yeah, Jose Chameleon no be. Ikara mo nung team nung ati adong ati gi period mo mo nung abi maro we mi Uganda geken.
Mhm.
Hmm. Ka boss mi ko no Jose Chameleon. Well, I tell you, I tell you, Chameleon, I'm American artist, Jose Chameleon. Ko.
I think
And then I'm at Wemo. Angyo nyingara ko mi
I think
Uganda. When it mo mi Uganda get when met. And then I used to listen to the mix.
mhm.
Something about Mix Pro. It has Ginagi Wang Radio, Gi Weasel, Gi Wang, Gi Kuya, Remy, Dana, I mean Rima.
Mhm.
Rima, Dana Wang Mapul, me Uganda mo biro ka go away, Kara Monowa. Nina what you enjoy and why you used to go out one kitty gine. Used to enjoy.
Those are the days.
Ko ano nga meet. Ko ano nga meet. Ngoti ma wati ha minutino ti
That
wati yake manu mabora bodro pamblage jo
parent
mayang hmm?
thing. Yeah. Mulong, I don't know what when you're weki kaburu. You put in your living room, you listen.
And when era
When we dog get doma. Yeah, I remember we and I remember. Then you reflect back there, Gimono ngiti ya timne while that song is playing. I rubanga konywan. So it's those are good memories. It's a
mm.
like
And I
in
remember there was a time monongo DJ kiniti ma hmm, they call it main well
mm-hmm,
and jara main well jara US man mangi of the one wabiro kanya
mm-hmm,
DJs we DJ Gitimo mix mo malo timo ngani lo comparing with me me gang kono like with me Uganda with me
mm-hmm,
Congo with me
mm-hmm.
Ghana with me Nigeria with me
Right.
South Africa lo compare tugu we mo ngamo ngeo ko gibero piny bal gibero la leleng ko chako tugu we dano pie kamia inina mo bin ko tugu we actually kaka ko tila ke traditional event kono cultural event to amo o tugu we actually o dia mal kamia la we ne Chuli dong karaman ha dano mara chuli we pagine ero ni wae pa Lucky Pro jealousy
Mm-hmm.
ne aber kana na viri ni no rubi kuja anen mino diang mo gitie kuja we chuli o touch dano an ikar mo nena muni gitia wunya we chuli nyo gitia miela ne anen
Mm-hmm.
nya daka buba mono mo tia chana ni tia miela chuli
Mm-hmm.
Tema an na tem donko no na piera mo mateki kon ka tur bambara we oberi mot
Yen
but we
bab.
enjoyed mana
Mm-hmm.
miro ni apunyo geno miro ni aga kiro actually music we hongi amiro nge leva chuli mino win we pa chuli onge we ne amiro ma we hongi ni muno en I didn't do that so much with abonga lakin I wish I did. But now I think I want to do that with Ogeno so I don't miss that opportunity to be Ponya and John, you
Yeah.
know. Mm. Yeah,
Yeah.
so ite do ngotin mamit dek Acholi ngo, dek agura, dek malakwang, la kokoro, dek kichuya.
Mm.
Kani,
I
we pa kun gini ngani? E min ngani ni anakwero tiko amir kichuya o tiko bero blah blah. Was that a kungi?
Yep.
I remember that. Dano kwero tiko, especially ka dad to our young used to kill ringo, or we have ringo for food, like lotero
Huh?
deki ring.
What?
Yeah.
Hello?
Boy,
Huh?
it were winyan,
No.
huh?
Only a little bit.
Ngani kono ba change to gimo.
So what's the problem?
It were winyan.
Yeah, when you're in bad, my duonko.
Yeah. I'm not were winyan clearly.
Even you clearly.
Ah.
I when you're in matter, but not loud.
Oh, okay.
Hmm.
So it did a deck ngani tin.
I don't be no teacher throw down. I tell you, there are gura ja.
Mm.
Lakin la bong ringo ba? Ringo pe.
Mm.
I be no teacher chow ye. I bet I you my knock a chow to leer or deck. Ye right away. Kwon. A man in here made a chamo kwon.
Mm.
So I have to cook. Go ben no
Mm.
akian ke kana tero bene ko.
Mm. I
Nga
know
maro
the
fi
feeling.
bara bere kere mo.
Ampo like ka
But
piro latina hot bin I can go. Chikara mo come chunya pay me terbo chunya pay me chum. Kalatino
mm,
chum. You know me bit of minutin. Kalatino chum pole bene. You're not really interested in chum. Koni maro
yeah.
chai. Man na suruba ma theater in a slow cook. No lepa moon in slow cooking. O
One
cheha
need
ma
for the
meat
mo
slow.
cherry.
O just the suruba no no kwai. Muna nga kera do lo meal prep. Iwilo baba
Mm-hmm.
muni ki pe ki cha kan lo timo ki mo lo loni meal prep. Cha mi tira ahead of time. Tira ko ma dit ki kera gini kura. He save the fridge.
Mm-hmm.
Cha pe. So Monday to Friday moon hopefully is gonna make it easy for me kwanya suruba mimi abolatin.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't have to stress about it too much. I wanted to make enough for the week. So that at least take suruba apart from chamo matino tina koni gerbo ginga ngagene. Ako beri suruba.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. Well, I'm sure kin minyo ala took a lawani, of course, Latin mo gina mara chak mi kuri dora chak. Munu ko nongo Latino dir man no iga kuya. Pero Latin gingo. I know Gerber at the time, a long time ago, no Gerber paid the refugee camp. We kono ngagi biya kamawa gore. Wo pero Latin gingo. If you nyoga ki chaka mi bo Latin bole surba at what age chaka mi chak. I mean surba nyoga bo Latin.
Look out in yoga, I think. That's
Mm.
what I like pure day. Then
Mm.
chao pero latin in yoga. Mana no ke chao mana no then ko nango yoga or graduate ke yoga. I think chao chao kero soupy dog kado jump. You start putting a
Mm.
little bit of soup, a little bit of soup.
Mm.
I don't know the month wise. I don't know, but Calatino or change maybe from 3 months, 4, 5 months. Kemani chao pera enki kuondo. Man
Mm.
knock there a lot.
Mm.
A thing itemo ki kuon ma yum, you feed with the baby. Enong latin
Mm.
jinkere kimono. But don't get me wrong. Lomio kong bolo tini back home. Little kid. Yeah. They feed them with alcohol, quere, whatever that Congo is.
Boy, you better calm down.
Huh? Yeah, quere lo mio, quere bolotini. A witness, and then a chill. Kalele bongo le yan, but I swear I see it. Lo mio, quere dog lotini babies. Yeah, where he bill. Goodness is a blessing. I don't know, maybe
Tino
I'm
pasa
wrong.
kono dong kala tino pasa riti mongo. Lo mio rokan like a teaspoon or a tablespoon.
Manok
Payment.
nanga is not a lot. Give below manok nanga. Not a whole nickel bar, a whole full of cup, no. Just a
A
little
whole
bit.
glass. Ah,
911,
wow.
Kalatino man. Ah, Africa.
Ah,
Angeo ko ngomati
Rebecca.
atime kumberi Africa. So I don't know.
Ah, cara, tino gwag Greco. Oh my God. Icho, đừng nói Latin, đừng yêu chuột, cô nói Latin.
You know how to wake up the babies?
Rõ, ikan mo ko karo, kong re mo lo mio, ikan mo ko karo Latin nung chuko.
I don't know. No Latini man. I'm not really sure. But
Uh,
angeo kimi cholo tin lo lumu wigi pingo lo yengo like this. To wake them up.
this is why I'm not having a baby in Africa. Kuya. Allah. Oh,
That's why Nana Lotini Africa, they're strong. Eh?
mm.
Lotini Africa, they're not like weak, Lotini man makani. Because most of Chim makani is all
Bene
chemical.
ako. Idongo tere bene koko.
Mm-hmm. Quick. Yep.
I don't know how you guys did it. So tell me now the procedure.
Not
Mono
do
on
just
inyo
it.
alamblane.
Yeah, but hey.
Mono inyo alamblane. O were o timo ini ning. Explain that to me again. With
Mm.
that, we more gonna tradition in how it works. Gang. Ka odiat pe nyo back to pe mi maro ini. Lo iwan lo kunyo bulo ro iri gi pi maliet.
That one, Erodion no should not even allow. Should not be allowed meeting on ebo down because they audiat cup. Nika audiat pe. Banga witness ki wanga but when nika audiat pe annual war with uh midwife. Like you just lay down out there under the tree. So midwife can you bino kakonyo in, deliver the baby or whatnot. Lo little pikeno to do all that procedure er kiromolo timi audiare balo timi tayat. But an ikarama nywalo ambla no audiatie igine kira dongo kem kuja.
Yep.
So
Mm-hmm.
I was young. Atie really young. I don't understand. Even right now, I don't remember the pain. Back then, mono kinmanyuala kambla, whatever. I went to the labor. Okera an I odi atie midwife para dongo the late Rosa. Muno min langa langa. A lot of people knew NS min langa langa. Yeah, muno no tie the midwife. But me, I cook beneko, I rem tie or whatnot. I know I rem tie, I know Latin tie, yeah, but I don't really react to it. Okay, any room just like that. They left me there. Get your car we outside. While I'm in pain. I tell you, yeah, I was in there struggling. Get your car we walk up with you. Then this thing of tanyoma doing, and then kimura actual duan and I start crying. Then they run in here, Latin tia bino, and blood was coming out. Then they start running, get ringo, and blood bino wall, again. They clean it up, everything. Get them on this for CJ now, team my bed, same as here. But my gang ni don't. You know, Kanye America ni madadano bene pay luok chere luok regular kimunu like you are normal. Everything is okay. Me
Yeah.
Africa, I remember Abuba, my mom-in-law. After kelo an gang, lo kero pi lo walo pi ma liet ikang big pot. They boil the water. Pi ne yenyo. Then after that lo bano chalmo keka ngong. So you have to lay there. Inino on your back. Ataro. Then she will take a washcloth, kono towel mama did kimunu. Royal in that first no get oil in your stomach. Then royal that towel, the whole thing inside that water. The hot water, then put in your stomach. God deal ikere, deal ikere, deal ikere. By the time she's done with you, no, you are tired. And then from there, that's it. He'll walk down, Lawrence in. Everything's good. You lay down and rest. But Latin men the same thing. The walk Latin in the morning, kilopo gena mono gena ji luani, mono ni. You're supposed to put and walk ching. Where you o ching. Yeah. You
Feeling
walk
junkie
Latin or
nene.
ki do komiki mo. Ki kere yi ching. We got tall like kuya walk kuya. Latin nini ching. So with ambla, watemo. Abuba temo eroni. One time the baby went missing. We don't know what happened to the baby. Latino from outside after grandma pero luogo malengo kero oil, kero mokera pero matiri kuya ambla was sleeping in the sun. That's morning sun, matter. It's not too hot, too hot. Munu put it like, yeah, morning. So ambla disappeared. We don't know what happened to ambla. There, grandma coming out of the house, oh no, Latin pay witching. She starts screaming. Latin parado, Latin parado. Ni, she thought maybe tuolo or something.
Oh my
She
God.
started running all over the place looking for the baby. But before you know it, Ambla was with her dad. Her dad picked up Ambla. They went for a walk. A little baby is like what? A few, like 2 weeks old baby or 3 weeks. So her dad just picked her up. They went for a walk. They went in a town, whatever, Gitia wood. Then Abuba was screaming, and then it's like, no, I have the baby. That she was so pissed. So those kind of thing is possible. Maybe a python, because that's Africa. Probably will come from out of nowhere, find a baby out there, and now come in my bed, swallow the baby. I don't know.
Jesus.
Yeah, it's possible.
Oh
So
my
I don't know.
God.
That's my experience. My nano kid back home, and here there's a difference. So that's my experience back home.
Wow. That's terrifying. I can't imagine having Latin like that. I don't know. I think I'm a little. I just feel like I'm scared of Loki when they bathe you after you have the baby. You know what I'm talking about? I remember Eli, when I had the baby, when I had a bonga, she put hot water in the tub, boiling water in the tub. And they found me in she dragged me to the bathroom and she put me in that boiling hot tub. Woo! I was crying for my mom. I don't want to do it. Eli, if you're watching, you saved my life, but so scary.
Torture.
He used to come every morning at like 4 a.m., 5 a.m. just to give me a bath, get up in my lid, mother on in boiling water. Yubu nyoga ira and help me feed me. Chak para no ma dog. Oh my god, latin para kwera dara chaka. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
Eli ma biro, and she made me feel better. Eli kitty and thank you, ma. But yeah, it's an experience. Biro mi Latin thing. Mhm. This is experience my child will never have. I don't know if they will ever appreciate what we go through. Completely appreciate what we go through. Minyala Lutini.
Mm-hmm.
Nyala Lutini tech more. It could take, a few minutes or even some seconds. It could take maybe a day, 24 hours. It could take 48 hours. Some people take even longer than 2 days in labor. Meanwhile,
Mm-hmm.
it took me 32 hours, over 32 hours. Meanwhile, again. But I was like, oh my God, Latini Bina winning. I just want to go. I just wanted to go home so bad. It was almost gonna Christmas. Wana banga juna wa Latino bina mero chero gang. I'm in a log makanya kinyola Latin mero beri gine. Or beri or at least for 2-3 days. And junior pay one money Latin me beri or 2-3 days. I would say I'm mero chero gang. Really? But they don't allow me to monitor culture and no party. Mana bi tama no so no habi nyalo tini para gang. Hey. And duana ko nga boy. The whole time getting a ginyinga ikanga town. No abuelo dano ringo gidaga away.
That's scary.
Yeah. So
Back
what don't
home
give
is
4 minutes?
different.
What don't give 4 minutes? You know it
Mm.
look.
Okay. Well, actually, here we are. Mera no chaka chaka mada, but not yet probably. Kuni one day, tete ni lotini chaka mulu, then chaka chungu, ki chaka wood, then ki chaka mwek. So anybody, what ye podi ka mulu. So hopefully pretty soon, well, I'm and start running. So by then, jotua, munu no mono ilaro gang. Mira bin you have to join. Teach. Kono dana matie Africa or whatever, any different part of the world. Wang cha chan papat. So we're gonna figure this thing out. Wacha my bear, korolo. Ngan mo iken ga take opinion pere o quo pere mayangene quo kere matamoni is valuable but actually mokene nyo tie mi konyo matwero konyo actually. Yeah, you bring it. Wakoyoko. Everybody's welcome. Man teen, just me and my sister we decide to come out just look me with chwa mogata kind. No, ngan mo bene winyo look to me with chwani pro somebody new somewhere. Gimo alone ni bere. Bongo logi tuoro. Then bongo logi come look but somewhere dear could you tear correct. But yeah, so one more point.
And we're going to close now. We'll have a good night. We will join again, hopefully Saturday, with a guest. One more guest more before Saturday. Stay tuned.
Yeah.
We will post it on Facebook. One link. We'll video net. Okay. We love you all. Jo Tuwa. Have a good night.
Wamara una Acholi. Acholi, oh yeah. Bye.
Bye.